Hi everybody and welcome to Crypto Investors. So today we are just gonna walk around the InvestPro, which is a crypto trading software that I'm going to work on today since the forex market is off. We are using this opportunity to walk around the crypto market and to take a look of what's going on and also walk around the crypto software, crypto trading software that I've developed. Uh, I've designed. It's not yet completed, but yeah, you take a look and let me know what you think, and maybe you can tell me how I can improve it also, maybe to make it better. Since it's gonna be an open source, I'm gonna share it on my GitHub repository so that anyone can also access it and edit it on its own convenience. Um, yeah, hope you guys also enjoy the content, and please put your thumbs up or subscribe to the channel to improve uh, the channel. Also, you help increase the rate and the views also. So I really appreciate it. Thank you. Um, so I've been working on this project for some time now, and I came up with one solution. So this was just fun stuff that happened to be something that actually makes sense. And it's software using the programming language called Java. Is a Java based software, so I hope you guys enjoy it. But before that, let us see uh, what the crypto market says. I haven't been in the market for a while, for the crypto market, so let us see what's going on there today. For that, I'll have to take a look of the crypto, the coin market cap, as usual. Coin market cap. Uh, no more. The crypto market is now has grown up, but it's not strong enough because a lot of speculations and but the market has agree that this product actually has a value. So what is interesting about the crypto market is that all these currencies are depending on the only Bitcoin market. So the Bitcoin is like the weather meter, is what drive the price of the crypto market. So without the BTC, we cannot talk about crypto market without talking about BTC, because without it, all these cryptocurrency that just came up will collapse. As you can see, the drawdowns of different uh, cryptocurrencies that we have here, even the stable coins also can drop sometime. The value can drop based on the rate that we have on the exchange at the time we are trading. Oh, the BTC market is up to 29,000, coming from a long way since January, uh, where it was traded around 23, 24,000. So he has grown up, and maybe the next bull run will be around 35,000. Once he reach those 35,000, it will go up to 40. But for now, what I can say here, I'm not a financial advisor, so be aware of that and take your own risk. Uh, for 29,000 on my previous forecast, moving from 25 and 24,000 ranges, uh, the only thing that can really make sense on the crypto market will be the value that it transfer from one user to another one. So at the beginning we had a lot of speculations, and now with a lot of regulations that came up to that happened to be uh, in the market, and the crypto space that the US has been have been trying to regulate it, to regulate this market. But overall, uh, this currency is so volatile, so it is a great tool for huge profit, but with a reasonable price target. So you have to be realistic on anytime you try to invest your money on the crypto market, especially on the Bitcoin, and because this is the key, this is the gold of the digital world, the new gold, more regulated and more volatile. So when we trade here, we are expecting a 5% rate return. So anytime you place your stop loss on this market, you have to make sure that you target your 5%, and if you are lucky enough to get that 5%, you can think that you had better a good deal. You got a good deal. So uh, the Ethereum market doesn't, even with all the features that the platform has been able to develop, all the interactions with different type of cryptos, finance, crypto finance, some stuff, something like uh, the value of the, the, the Ethereum network is not really, it's not high, it's not that high in comparison to the BTC value. uh, it's not that high. So one thing that I'm 100% sure is that BTC has value. So for that, if I target 5% of 29,000 here, it means that I have a good risk reward on the return, because anytime it moved, you can see here we have 0.5 14% of rate change over the last 24 hours, 0.5, 0.5. So it will be a great strategy if I use those 5% on my risk reward and targets for a short term return. Okay, for the Dogecoin, only thing that I like about the Doge is the fee, the transaction fee that you can avoid when using the Doge network, especially when you are trying to moving from one crypto to another one, or you are trying to transfer money from one account to another one. The Dogecoin can be a reliable source of remittances. So but as you can see, the overall market is bare. Right now we don't have enough volume in circulations, a lot of not enough holder. So what does that mean? It means that there are a lot of BTC that are still out there at the cheapest value as possible. So imagine that this value that I'm seeing right now, which is 29,000, double the price and go back to the last previous high that we had in the 2019, where we were at 60,000, 65,000. So imagine that you enter the market at this stage, and the value of this crypto market goes up to 30,000 to 60,000, and you are holding that position up to that rate. It will mean that you get a return of 30,000 more of your investment just by holding the coin for a certain amount of time. And this is a great opportunity. So for me, at this point of time, the BTC network don't have um, the value that we have right now is so cheap, and this is due to the lack of transaction on the network, maybe because of no more marketing. Because if we people are doing a lot of marketings on the BTC network, and maybe they are developing other products that are related to BTC, and then will use the currency, the BTC as a currency on their platform. This will drive the supply and the price of the network, of the BTC network. But if not, the BTC, the demand of the BTC is not going to be that high, because we have to remember that these tools, because I see it as a tool, is like a car. The BTC network can lose its value based on the amount of transaction that it has on the network. So if the amount of transaction that is in the network are high, the value will go up. If not, it will drop. That's how it works, demand and supply. But in order for that volume to go up, we need to have a kind of commodity, something that we can buy. We can actually buy with Bitcoin, with BTC, in order to drive the price of this network up. Because right now, all I see here is just the speculation and margin trading that I'm seeing here. Those are the volume that can drive the price up very high, and so on. So those are margin or contracts, options. Those are the things that I can see here, based on the exchange. So because it's so complex, I mean, it's not common for anybody to use this tool, these products, BTC. Since because of the frictions on different type of transaction, I don't see it as a, it's very difficult that we can use it as a currency. For that part, he has failed. The BTC has failed to be a currency, but what it succeeds is to be like a commodity, like an investment vehicle. It's an investment vehicle that can help you, or that can save you some time. If you are a smart investor, you can actually make money out of it, and take advantages of the inflations that may happen in the market. And also, one thing is that when the BTC, when the euro dollar is high, the BTC network also tend to be high. So those are some correlations that we should always have in mind when we are trading this currency. If the value of the US dollar is so strong in the stock market or the the forex market, it may really it will also affect the Bitcoin price. It will affect it at some point. A lot of cryptocurrencies developer or I'd say a lot of coins here that actually have no insurance, and so before you invest your money on something that you don't know here, actually you have to make your own investigation. One thing that I like here is the internet, the ICP. This is actually a good cryptocurrency depending on the type of on the thing you are using it for. The solution that they provide, this is the most important thing, because this is what drive the volume in the market. You can see that the price of this product, internet ICP, is high. It was like started from like 396, is up to 420 right now, and the highest value in the last 24 hours was at 4.6, something like that, as a peak. So this one can actually drive drives prices up. Now my goal here is to take a look. Now I will take a look of the protocol, or what I can use this project for. Let's see their website, the internet computer, and build on the network, get to know ICP, developer, and so on. So they use internet identity, web3 ID, user run web3, and so on. IT beyond clouds, sovereign enterprise, and yeah, I'm actually trying to understand how are they using the coins. Yeah. Smart contract data for $1. Memory is memory is $5 or gigabyte per year. In each smart contract running ICP can make up to 64 gigabyte of persistent memory page available to bytecode. Okay, so here is much more about development and understanding what the protocol is for. So this is the platform. This is the trading platform for ICP. They have their own autonomous platform. They have the dApps. Let us see. This is the dApp, enterprise service on true web3, and so on. Staking, no staking, and say airdrops, publics, and so on. SNS. So what is the value? My purpose on taking a look of the product that they are offering here is to see the value that I'm gonna get back from this service. uh, as a user, I want to know exactly what am I gonna use this for. Is it something that I can use for what? And if so, then it is gonna be worth it. If not, then I don't think the project is worth anything. So we have a subnet blockchain, the ICP protocol, combined node machine, and so on. The technical stuff here. Sovereign next generation AI. They say the Internet Computer is currently adding support for Web3 AI compute units. AI will also run on the network, supporting native Web3 integration and trustless combination of models and data. So model combination and data. Okay. So I think this project is most related to developer. Like if you are not a developer, if you are not a technical person, you are not really gonna be able to understand what they are doing here, because it's most about technical for IT and so on. I was trying to see the value or what did they offer that I can buy as a user, or what is the benefit of using this protocol or this crypto. What is the benefit am I gonna get? So first of all, they say, what are they saying here? They have the Sonic is a DEX built end-to-end one chain on the internet computer. Sonic currently run mem Sonic take advantage of ICP blockchain low fee high scalability REST gas model to deliver a seamless Web3 experience. Okay, we have this one. For example, the D-mail. This is one solution, for example. So this is a product that can use the ICP I was thinking about. So this is one service someone can use. So let us try it. As they say, try the email. Maybe I will replace my mail now. Start mail. This direct us to this mail.dmail.ai and then login. Now if I log in, I'll have to use my MetaMask or Trust wallet in order to do that. So if I use it, let's see, Trust wallet, install. Well, I'm not gonna go through that right now, so anyway, I won't go through that right now. So I'm using MetaMask. I still don't want to create an account here. Well, it looks like it's about emails. Your inbox, your data, your AI assistant. Stay informed and connected with intelligent and secure messaging. Okay, so this is to get, in order for you to get your email, and you are using the DApp you work with, and to send, and you have to pay some fee, monthly fee on this service. That is supposed to be free anyway, but you have to pay with the ICP coin in order to use this product. So that's what I was talking about. If we had something like that, but which were using BTC as a currency, it would have been better. It would have been better, instead of having to use a the other cryptocurrency in order to access this service. I think this is something that people should think about, creating something that can use Bitcoin as a currency to purchase this, the service. Uh, Purchase the service. Okay, so they have some offer that they have here, like say DMail. DMail, you can get connected. You have a bounding connection from Gmail, MetaMask, ENS, Dropbox. All of them are used in the DMail. So it's not bad. It's not a bad idea. I think this service could be good. And if I go to GitHub and try, this is what they have. They build up this entire project here. So then it's launch. Say they have a DNet mail server. This is the mail server, DMail network on the chain mail server. Okay. Mod Club. The Mod Club is a decentralized moderation tool based hosting fully on-chain built on the internet computer that reward user for effectively moderating content. Currently in beta. So they are still building that product, and I'm not sure if they will figure out or if they will build something that actually makes sense. So I think overall the internet protocol, the ICP one, actually is a good project. They have some offers here that they provide. Yeah, but it would have been better that they use the Bitcoin as a currency for payment, instead of having to go back through their own cryptocurrencies. That's my own concern here, because a lot of them are scam. Okay, so let us turn on InvestPro and see how this project will look like and run now. The Java environment. I'm not quite sure if it's the right version here, but let's try. So now compiling the project. Let's see how it run. It used the GDK 20. If you connect to the database, there you go. So you can see the list of cryptocurrency that we have here, a bunch of them, and we are getting some news. And let's see the application. There you go. Right now, you are seeing the project. This is the project, and it's still on the development phase. So let me know what you think about. Should I keep working on this or not? And yeah, and should I release a version anyway? So this is how it looks like, and so now since the market is off, let us use Coinbase for crypto market so that we can see exactly how it looks like. We have the Ethereum and DAI coin. Let's me launch. So we are getting some text messages. So still have to work around the candlestick chart. There are some features that I need to improve here so that it will display well. But overall, this is what we have. You can see the current price of the other USDT, which is at 0.292 right now, and this is a live market. I'm using a web socket, so anytime that if I want to open an order, I just have to click on trading button, and yeah, this is the trading button, and you can see here you have your ability to increase your size, decrease your size, or create an order. And yeah, you can create an order. You can see I'm not authorized since I haven't provided a valid API key, so it's not gonna work. But we are getting some data, so that's the most important thing. We are getting some data. So if I take a look of other currency here, I take a look of some other currencies like I'm looking for atom. Let's see. I'll be back. Sorry. Okay, there are some currencies that are not able to be displayed here, and not only there's something that happened. Having issue here with the return value. Well, depending on the type of time frame I'm using, it's going to be able to display something. You can see that I still have to work around this panel, this page, so that they will display the right image, display correctly. So anytime a time frame is not valid, it's not going to be able to display anything here. So I have to figure out how to handle this issue, because it's at the cause of my bugs. Some bugs here. At the center of every bug that I've been found here. You can see I'm getting some data, a large amount of data that I'm getting back from the server on these products. And also these products use a database, so I don't know what is this currency, the ATA. It's not even in the list of Coinbase currencies. And see here we have just a few amount of data. The response that I'm getting back from the server is no, it's empty. So that's why it's not able to display anything that I want here. Let's see Bitcoin Cash. It's been a while, I haven't seen a value. Let us check the value of this. You can see here the display is much better, but the value is like 220 $228 for one Bitcoin Cash. And it's kind of funny. I don't even know why this thing still have value, because it was supposed to disappear. What value does it provide again? But people are using Bitcoin Cash. I don't know for what. People are buying. You can see the price range. It goes up to 219 and goes back to 225. That's a huge increase if you have a huge amount of money in your account and you invest on this coin. It's something like 10,000 and you invest on it. With a good risk reward target, you get a good return. You get a good return on these products. can see the application is online. The mode auto and the volume right now is at 5 something. Change percentage is at 0.05, so it's like 5%. And I think that's it for now. So I'm gonna take a look of other currencies, other new cryptocurrency, and make my own study on them, so that I'll see if they are useful or not, and thereby I will know if I can invest my money on them or not. So let's take the projects called, what is UMA? UMA. One other currency here, it is called Gala. I don't know what Gala is, so let's take a look. It looks like it's nothing, and the value is 0. It's an empty one. So auction USD, what is auctions? Auction. Wow, something moved from $5 to $17 and then goes back to $6. That's a scam. No, they can play with the volume here. It means like this is nothing. This is not a currency. This is a scam. For almost all the time, it was flat. The entire time here, it was flat. But now, this happened just, I don't know, it happens here on the 30, on July 30, and the price went up to $17. Imagine yourself, you have something that you bought at $6 and it goes up to $17 in the lapse of, so I don't know how many days, it was just a day. It goes up to $17, and if you had something like 10,000, moving 10,000 to $17, you'll be rich. I mean, you have enough return on your investment to be happier for the whole week. So this is unrealistic. It means that the owner of this platform came up with enough volume or withdraw enough volume and then play with the market, and after a while he withdraw the money so that other people lose. So this is not really something that maybe that's the reason why they call it auctions. I don't know, maybe. But let's take a look of what is it about. What it is, it's a auctions and it's hosted by Coinbase. Let's take a look of our own investigation here. Auction crypto, coin market cap. Auctions. Is it the same currency? Options. I like to see the image of this, but anyway. So this is options 571, 575 here. It's not yet updated. Yeah, this is options. What is their website? I like to see their website. Official website link. What it is about. Say dApps. So auction as a service, we have a from customized auction pool to seamless on-chain settlements, and Bounce Finance provide the tool you need to unleash the full potential of decentralized auctions. Oh, I see. It's all about trading. It's for decentralized auctions, trading, and meaning you are investing your money on a decentralized exchange, and they are using the solution that they provide. They have advertisement in AI options. That's what they offering. AI options. Since the development of AI, everybody is now using AI like it will replace the human brain. Or trending auctions, NFT, UCP, all of these things. I really don't understand what. I thought it was something that actually makes sense, like auctions from stock market, something like that. But I see what I'm seeing right now is just auctions about crypto, so it makes no sense to me. It makes no sense. Bounce private launch but I have to perform the KYC before we use your service. Know your customer. Money laundering law. Okay. Anyway, as I see, this thing is makes no sense to me. I don't know why, and you can actually see how people are playing with currencies here. Say auctions, you can see the value. It was bare, and suddenly goes up to $17 and then drop down at the same time, meaning that they are the one who control their own volume and they can play with the market as they want. Because so for a strategic good strategy, if you are applying your good investment knowledge here, you will make money even with the lowest volume like that. You'll be able to extract. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. I don't want this live stream to be too long. I hope you enjoyed the overview of what I had to share. they don't provide anything that I can really trust. It's not something that I can really trust right now. I only found one, which is ICP. ICP has value because they are offering services, and from those services they can drive the price of their own token. So that's something that I can actually share. This is the product. This is what I'm talking about. And when we take a look of the market cap, you can see that the price has a good trending market. ICP network. Uh, let's see the charts. You can see that the market is moving, even if it's there right now. But the market, there's a market cap is there. The money, more price for each coin is so cheap, and not too much risk on this. So anyway, thank you for being a crypto investor and option or not, because this was just a hobby and hobby. So thank you. So bye bye.